Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to get your location using geolocation API of HTML5. So let me just show you the demo of the application that we will be building in this tutorial. So you will see there is a button out there, get location. So if I click this button, you will see it will put you the location and the longitude here. So you need to allow the permission of location. So just grant the permission, click the allow button, and then it will tell you the latitude and longitude in simple JavaScript. So if you want to get all the source code, you can go to the video description link where I have given all the source code. Let me just start building this simple application. So for this, you need to make sure that you have Visual Studio Code installed. This is a simple text editor. You can use any text editor of your choice. So just open that editor and make sure that you make index.html file. So here we will write the basic HTML template here. So we can change the title that HTML5 geolocation API in JavaScript. So this API is built in Google Chrome browser, in all browsers, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, all that stuff. So now we simply need to have a heading here, which will be geolocation API example. And then we can have a simple paragraph. We can give it an ID of location where it will display our location. And then we will have a simple button where we will see get location. That's it. So now it will have here, we will give it an ID of button, or we can also attach directly here. We can have attach on click. So whenever we click this button, this method will execute automatically, which is get location. So simply if I open this with live server, you will see a geolocation API example. And if I click this button, nothing happens. We need to write this function, which is get location. So we don't need to include any sort of library. So just write the script tag, and here we will write the simple JavaScript. So here we will write the function which we have defined here, which is get location. So now we will define this function. So first of all, in the if condition, we will check if the navigator API is supported in the browser or not. So this geolocation API is there inside navigator object, navigator.geolocation. So we will check in the if condition. In the else, we can just say that this API is not supported. So we can say, first of all, we need to get the reference to this paragraph, which is document.get element by ID. So we will pass the ID, which is location. And simply we will write in the else scenario that this p.inner.html geolocation API is not supported. So this is valid inside old browser if you are using an old browser. So in that scenario, it will show you geolocation is not supported. In most of the browser, geolocation is supported. So here, first of all, we will get the location by navigator.geolocation.get current position. And here we need to pass the function name, which will be get position. That's it. After defining it, we need to make this function here at outside function get position. So just make this function, and here we need to pass the position object here, which will be automatically passed to it. So write this, and here we can display the position of the user, sorry, p.inner.html. So here we can say location, latitude. It will be position dot course dot latitude. So this is the syntax, guys. We also need to concatenate it. So put a plus sign here and again plus. Same will be for longitude. Longitude. So this will be position dot coords, which stands for coordinates, dot longitude. That's it. And just make sure that you put a break tag here. Just it will be having on the next line. So now the application is complete, guys. So we can say open with live server. If you click get location, you will see your location, which is latitude this coordinate, longitude is this 28. This will be different for you if you are saying in a different location. So in this easy way, by you can just get the location of your in terms of latitude and longitude using the HTML5 geolocation API in JavaScript. So if you want to get all the source code, go to the video description link and download all the source code. I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.